What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lala, and this is the look that we got today, you guys. If you want to see this look, please continue watching. Also, make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and prime. I've already moisturized my skin. And then we're just using the Smashbox primer. And this primer is bomb, y'all. I've been asleep on Smashbox. Then once we've primed, I'm going to go ahead and just color correct. And I'm just using my LA Pro orange corrector. We're going to dab that in everywhere, you guys. Like that. You know, get that in real good. I'm just taking a paintbrush. You can find this paintbrush from Amazon. And I'm just going to like tap that in. Kind of not spread it just to hide those dark marks. And I do have this paintbrush listed in my description box below. Okay. So now we're using our Huda Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade Peanut Butter. I'm trying to find some new foundation, you guys, but I love this one. I think I'm just gonna stick to this one, honestly. But we like to try new things, so we'll see. And now I'm taking a well, let me say damped beauty blender. And I'm just going to like blend that in everywhere really good. Try to avoid under my eyes because I'm just trying to avoid this creasing or whatever that I'm experiencing. Girl, please get under the chin. Look up. Yeah, okay. Bam. And that just looks so nice. That primer, that Smashbox primer is just fire. So I'm just taking my Morphe. This is Effect 18 contour stick, and I'm just contouring everywhere. And then once I do that, I take my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. Y'all, I went from deep sand to deep. So deep is this color. And I'm just getting those areas that we're going to conceal. And then I'm just taking a Morphe brush. This is the E4 brush. And I'm just blending that contour up. I'm going to go ahead and just contour first. Lately, I've been highlighting first, concealing first. But yeah, we contouring first. We're going to, just change up a few things. And I actually love this look. Like the contouring first. Everything just came out flawless. This was a really nice flawless beat, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And I'm just making sure I'm contouring really good because I've been noticing like on my past few videos, I've been missing a few spots. Like, that's not cute. And then also on this video, if you notice, I did moisturize first. I have been doing it backwards. Sorry, you guys, but we're learning. So I'm just taking my Morphe brush and I'm just contouring my nose really well, blending that up to my brow bone. Also taking the like leftover on the brush and just getting the desired shape that I'm looking for. And then once that is done, I just took that Deep from Tarte Shape Tape and I just put it in the center of my nose. So I'm just blending out that concealer with the opposite side of the beauty blender. And once I conceal, for some reason, I have to go back in with my E4 brush and just make sure everything is just coming together. I do not put additional product on the brush. I just take the brush that we use to blend out that contour and just, line things back up. just to make sure that there's, no harsh lines, you guys. And I'm just putting the leftover concealer that's on the beauty blender around my mouth, under my nose, just so that I don't have to put additional product. So now I'm taking the Juvia's Place number 14 concealer to highlight those areas that we've already concealed, just a tad, nothing crazy. And look at your girl looking snatch. See, I take that brush and I just bring it back in. That's it, bring it back in. I'm sorry, you guys. I was listening to Mulatto, a little turn. Forgive me. Ooh, extra, extra. That's it. That was fun. I do like to listen to music once I'm in my little therapy session doing my makeup. So okay, okay. Your girl trying to get snatched. Period. Okay, so yep, E4 brush going back in. And you guys also let me know in the comments, like if you guys prefer a voiceover or um, a talk through, please let me know. I'm just going back in with my contour stick and just carving out my nose. I feel like that concealer kind of like it canceled out my contour. So now I'm taking my powder. This is Sasha Buttercup, and I'm just um, tapping in that powder. I do not bake. Like I stated, I have dry skin, so I'm really not a baker at all. And then we're gonna reverse contour right here, and I'm just light. I like a light line. I don't want it to be harsh, so I try to make that line to reverse contour as light as possible. And then I'm taking my Judy brush from the crayon case and I'm just swiping away that contour. I'm sorry. Oh, Lord. I'm swiping away the powder from the Sasha Buttercup. Okay, this is my jumbo brush from the crayon case. I am bronzing and I'm using my Morphe contour palette. This is 8 deep in the shade Deep Glam. So number 8, letter D in the shade Deep Glam. So that's what I'm using to contour, and I'm using the bronzer shade as well. This is like the best bronzer contour palette out as of yet that I've used. So if you guys know something better, let me know. And I'm just taking the opposite end of the brush to like blend it in as well. Look at that. That's beautiful, y'all. I like it. Okay, cute. And then I'm going to do a light bronzing on my nose. Then I'm taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm going to go ahead and spray, set. And now I'm taking my Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm using that orangey color. It's like a burnt orange. And I'm using that for my eyelid. That color is so beautiful, you guys. I have to I slept on this palette, like really slept on it, but I'm into it now. So this is just something light. We're just going to use this one shade. I'm going to pack it into the crease, and then we're just going to blend it up. I'm using a Morphe 433 brush as well. And all I'm doing is I'm going back in with that same shade, packing it in, and then blending. And I'm just going to continuously do that until I get it, you know, how I want it. So I'm trying to like just experiment with like a lot of one, no more than 3 shades, just doing more simplicity. You guys let me know what you want to see. And that's just so beautiful. And I feel like it goes perfect with my skin tone. I can't wait to continuously like use this shade in the future. I feel like this will be a beautiful blush as well. And I think I use this as a blush. We'll see. So I put on my lashes off camera, and these lashes are from AliExpress. I am using the extended Mega Giga Black mascara for the bottom lashes. And then I use a paintbrush and go into my waterline with the P. Louise white base. A little sloppy, but hey, we getting it. And so, okay, you guys, do not kill me, but I struggle with the lips. I'm using Plum. This is the colored pencil from the crayon case, and it's in the shade Plum. So I'm using that to line my lips. I did so many different lip combos, but I end up eventually taking everything off and only using the red from MAC, the Ruby Woo. But I'm just taking the highlighting shade that's in that palette, that James Charles palette. It's the second color at the top, on the top row. And I'm using that as a highlighter on the cheekbone, nose, and Cupid's bow. And I'm just using a random Morphe Morphe brush to blend that out. I know I say pencil a lot, guys. That's because I'm so used to the crayon case products. So please bear with me. So right here, this is the Ruby Woo that I'm using. Okay, you cute. And then I'm just going back in with that plum color. And then I'm taking that, oh, actually, okay. I use that pink for blush. I thought I used the same color as my eyelids, but I didn't. And this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.